Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are well. Today I am going to start new chapter of physics, weather, climate and adaptations of animals to climate. So firstly we will discuss about weather. You must have seen weather report in television, newspaper, radio, etc. Sometimes we have to make our schedule according to weather conditions. When the sun is cloudy, your parents insist that you carry an umbrella with you. You have heard about when your elders in your family planning a family function, they discuss about the weather conditions. Commentators also tells about the weather reports before the beginning of match. It may be hockey match, cricket match, and when during the match rainfall starts, it stops. So the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at a place with respect to wind, temperature, rainfall, etc. is called weather at that place. So weather changes day to day. Even it can change several times in one day. So weather is a complex phenomena. Sometimes you have seen the sun shines brightly in the morning, and after some time you will see clouds appears from nowhere and rainfall starts. And sometimes rainfall maybe occur for a minute and it clouds disappear and bright shine appears, sunshine appears. So all these conditions depends on the weather, and the elements of weather are temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, wind direction, etc. All these are elements of weather due to weather changes. The Meteorological Department of Government of India prepares the weather report based on the data of temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, etc. These data collected by scientific instruments. It gives the maximum and minimum temperature of past 24 hours and tells about the time of moonrise, moonset, the time of sunrise and sunset, humidity, wind speed, etc. Let's we discuss elements of weather one by one in short. First is temperature. The maximum temperature of weather generally occurs at noon time, while minimum temperature occurs in early morning. And the instrument used to measure the weather temperature, maximum and minimum thermometer. You know that there are different types of thermometer like clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer and maximum and minimum thermometer. So maximum and minimum thermometer used to measure the temperature of weather. Something you know that temperature, maximum and minimum temperature of cities is higher than the rural areas and forest due to there is in cities high pollution level is high, and maximum and minimum temperature of an area is calculated by the maximum record of maximum and minimum temperature over 30 years or more than 30 years. Next is humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor present in the air. It is the capacity of air to hold water in it. It increases with the rise in temperature. As temperature rises, humidity increases. And the instrument used to measure humidity is hygrometer. Rainfall. Rainfall occurs when there is high humidity in air and there is sudden drop in temperature. And how much rainfall occurs, it is measured with the help of rain gauge. So the instrument used to measure the rainfall, it is rain gauge. Rainfall measured in millimeter. Next is wind speed. Sometimes speed of wind is very high, very fast, so it is known as a storm. Sometimes speed of wind is low. So the speed of wind is measured by the instrument anemometer. And wind direction, the direction of wind measured with the help of instrument wind vane. So there are, you have seen the temperature measured by maximum and minimum thermometer, humidity measured by hygrometer, rainfall measured by rain gauge, wind speed measured by anemometer, and wind direction measured by wind vane. So today you have discussed about what is weather and the elements of weather. In next session we will discuss about climate and what is the difference between weather and climate. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.